So we have done with a routing part. So before routing, we discussed about network fundamentals and WAN technologies. And the network fundamentals, lot of things we have discussed about the day one of session, introduction to networking and network components and NIC, media, networking devices, and IPv4 and IPv6 address logics completely we have discussed, and subnetting we have discussed. The TCP IP layers and the OSI layers we have discussed clearly. And introduction to routers, router internal components, external components, all about routers we have discussed, and router configuration. And then WAN technologies, like laser line and broadband services, and WAN connectivity, and WAN topologies, configuration, DC, DT interfaces, point-to-point protocol, SDLC protocol, and WAN interface configuration and troubleshooting, these things we have discussed. And introduction to IP routing, routing conditions and routing types, which is static and dynamic, and static routing, and dynamic routing and dynamic routing types, classless, classful, and dynamic routing. Past few days we are discussing about dynamic routing protocols like RIP, OSPF, and we have compared the last session with our three protocols, which is RIP, OSPF, and EAGRP. So successfully we have done the main core routing part. So from today, let me start with LAN technologies, switching. In LAN technologies, enter the LAN technologies, the most popular physical layer LAN technology is Ethernet. So a small introduction of Ethernet. So technology originated by University of Hawaii. Later, Xerox Corporation has been adopted. The Ethernet is the most popular physical layer LAN technologies. So as per IEEE standards, Ethernet 802.3 IEEE standards, and Ethernet speed we know 10 Mbps, and types of Ethernets are Ethernet, fast Ethernet. So Ethernet is one of LAN technology. See, if any technology comes under LAN code is 802. In 802, we have different type of technologies. One of the most popular is .3. So .3 is what? Ethernet. And Ethernet types, we have different type of Ethernet. Like Ethernet is IEEE standards is 802.3. Next, fast Ethernet is also Ethernet.